What's up, Nail Geeks? Mr. Mage here again. Welcome back to a wonderful collab between BCB Lacquers, Cracked Polish, and Zombie Claw Polish. This trio dropped last night on all three maker sites, and they are capped, so without further ado, let's check them out. Now, these are capped at 150 sets, available on each respective maker's site, and will be available until sold out. As of this video going up, all three sites are in stock. Shop links are right in the description box of the video. Thank you all for hanging out while Trisha heals. It's greatly appreciated. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.